I sat down with the show builder myself for the first time and said, I want to put together a 5-minute show, and I just want to see what that looks like. It's kind of ironic working here in the capacity that I do, that I actually don't shoot a ton of fireworks at home. We shoot fireworks at our demos, and that's where we see most of the fireworks that we get to sit back and enjoy because, you know, on the 4th of July and on New Year's, we're here until very late.
Our family's experience with fireworks has been, over the last 3 years, exciting. Getting to test out a lot of the products that we have, and I know that at my job, I normally help customers, but I am a customer.
I've always come in and purchased my fireworks. We've always done the old-fashioned way, set them and light them and run.
I've been shooting fireworks probably all my life. I mean, started off with shooting little bottle rockets out of a little piece of copper pipe that my dad crimped for me so that it wouldn't fall into the tube all the way.
Every time we come into the store, we always look for the ones that we enjoy the most, and we put together everyone's favorites and put it all in the cart. And so I decided to do the same approach with the show, is to gather all the items that my family and I enjoy and try to develop a show with everybody's items that they loved and enjoyed over the years.
I like color, so I went right to the big, the color, the bigger the better. If that's right or wrong, I don't know. I just like it. So that was my first instinct, is to find the best thing with the best color.
I spent about an hour. I think I just brought in a lot of fireworks that I enjoy. I said, I want to start with something a little bit smaller and then build up to kind of a bigger finale.
The big differentiator for that software, of course, is the visualizations of the fireworks, right? Because before then, I would have to watch video after video. I mean, go back, what was that one again? What was the timing on this one? Whatever. And so you had to kind of, keep going back and forth. And so it took a really long time.
It was extremely easy to build the show. Once I went through the products that I knew I already liked, I just added everything that I thought I would want in a show that I would like to see. And then it was nice to kind of put them in an order that I thought I would enjoy seeing.
I enjoyed just kind of doing all the little adjustments to say, oh, I want things to time out a certain way, or I really like the way these two things look together, and creating that finale in particular, how it's going to build one item stacks on top of the next, stacks on top of the next, so that they all end at the same time.
But the visualization tool, quickly was realizing hey, some of this stuff's going to work out pretty good together or whatever. And so it really built itself relatively quickly.
It's my first time using the show builder and developing my own show. So I'm excited for everybody to provide their feedback, their opinion, and just to go out and have fun with it. And I'm sure I'm going to get criticism, but then I'm also going to blow everyone else away because I will win this competition.
Well, that was my next question, was are you going to win?
I will win. I will win.
Fireworks show.
Serena going first? Yay, Serena!
All right. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't wait to see it go off. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Serena's first show, y'all. Good job.
Oh, it was pretty good. Yeah, no, that was the timing of the ending. Like, man, that's so brilliant. Like, that was put together well.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna give Josh the go ahead to push the button. Go for it, sir. All right, I'm rolling.
I love off-road, man. Nah. So.
Thanks, Josh. That was awesome.
That was great.
Cereal looks great.
The colors
I like
better
the colors.
than the
I like
Trevilier.
We're showing everything's all green, ready to go. All right, here we go.
I should go in 5 seconds.
It mostly worked. The timing's always going to be a little hit or miss. Obviously, nothing's going to be perfect, but I loved it. It was exciting. It was fun to watch, so I'm glad it turned out.
Jason, you're up.
All right, man. Everyone's done a pretty good job. It's been a good night.
I'm ready whenever y'all are.
All right, 5 seconds.
Jason, chef.
Nice.
Thanks. Yeah, the family was real good.
These tools are really going to help develop a level of creativity and artistry with anybody who creates a show.
I think for me it was the best experience because I'm seeing all these things that I love and actually put them all together and how they're going to come out because I've never been able to see that.
What excites me most about this is getting this into the hands of our customers and seeing what it helps them to do.
If they're looking to be the winner of their block, or whatever, this is the way to do it.